Hey, it's Seth with Rough Country. When it comes to building out your Honda Pioneer, one of the most important add-ons you can have is a durable and quality roof. And we've got exactly that for you with our HDPE roof for the 2-door and 4-door Honda Pioneer platform. So what is HDPE? It's a high-density polyethylene, which is a thermoplastic polymer. Essentially, it's incredibly tough, long-lasting, and UV resistant. Whether you're getting it for your 2-door or your 4-door Honda Pioneer, incredibly easy install process, being 100% bolt-on installation. On top of that, we made it with a wide construction. Whatever the precipitation is, it makes sure it drains off outside of the cab rather than inside the cab where you're riding. So if you have a 2-door or 4-door Honda Pioneer, upfit it with a good looking and high performing roof with our HDPE roof for the 2-door and 4-door Honda Pioneer platform. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss more content. Find more inspiration for your Honda Pioneer with our vehicle gallery, and check out all of our Pioneer upfits at roughcountry.com. You want me to ride on a skateboard? Kickflip.